This is our take profit. 1906.05. This is our take profit. Okay, the other case. The other case. Okay, the other case. I just find random. Okay, look at this trend. Look at this candlestick. If we look many candlestick with one trend, so be careful to take our entry opposite. It's very dangerous. Look at this one. This is turn up. This is turn up and then correction, going down, little going down, and then going up more. Why this is not continue? Because the left side they have key level. The left side they have key level. This is key level. This is rejection also. This is rejection. Key level not only based on week, based on shadow, but key level they can show the opposite candle, the candle with change color, and then they have angle. They have angle like this, going up, and then without any correction, the market going down. The market going down. So this is one of key level, and then this is also the key level area. This is also the key level area. So look at, if the buyer going up and then not break out of the key level, not break out of the resistance, and then the next candle the buyer try to going up more, the candlestick, the price, the bullish, the buyer try to go up and then stop there. This candlestick or this week, this shadow, it show the characteristic of the candlestick that the buyer, the power of the buyer stop there. The power of the buyer stop there, cannot continue, have no power to continue. It's mean we can understand if the power of the buyer stop there and then pull back, seller dominant there. So as our lesson before, if the area of the resistance, the area of the key level, and then change color, remember, change color, so it's become our trigger, it's become our indicator that the market will change from going down, from going up, change to going down. So when we can put our entry, we just need one confirmator. We need one confirmator. Look at the next candlestick. This is confirmator. This is our confirmator. So our entry next confirmator, our entry on the green color, this is our entry sell. Why? Because we have trigger there. We have trigger there. Okay, here we can put our position sell. And then how about the risk management? How about the take profit? Look at the left side, and then the top of the left side there are many rejection, and then we can choose one of it as resistance. So this is our stop loss from resistance. This is our stop loss, 188 and 6.53. This is our stop loss. And then when we can put our take profit, look at the rejection nearest from the price candle running, because the left side they have any rejection, so we can put here, we can put here, we can put the support. Our stop loss on resistance, our take profit on support. This is our take profit. Okay, look at this one. How about if we put our take profit here, based on this, based on this key level, based on this rejection, can we put on this position as our take profit? Of course we can put here, but we still we have long time, and then maybe our stop loss will touch here, will touch there. This is our stop loss, because if the take profit more distance, more wide from the from our position, from our entry, so this is this take profit cannot reach, this take profit cannot reach by the market. So of course our transaction, our entry is loss, because not reach our take profit and then coming back, going back up. So this is our loss. It's nothing problem. This is the risk of the trading. Nobody can trading profitable every day, every time, but always they have many loss. But the problem is how we can consistent profit, how we can find continue profit, and then we can also press our risk, we can reduce our risk. So the total, the cumulative of our entry, still the ending still profit. This is our risk if our take profit is so far from our position. So I always recommend to our student, don't take profit more wide, don't take profit more far, too far from our position. Look at the support and resistance nearest from from the running. If we take not too far from the running, maybe we can put this position based on based on this correction, so we can reach our profit, but it's not too more, only 25.5 pips. It's enough to save our profit. Then we take profit more far, more wide from our position, and then cannot reach our take profit, and then change to going up again, and then we have lose, we have lose here, because this breakout, our stop loss, reach our stop loss touch there, and then we lose around 40.5 pips. But it's okay, it's our choice, this is our choice, which one we can choose. This technique, we can take near from the rejection, near risk from our position, from our entry, and then also we take our stop loss not too far from our position also, but always look at the key level, which one the more key level, which one the more rejection, we can put our key level, we can put our stop loss there. It's more safe than we only put too far, or maybe we have no principle to take it. Okay, this is the position. This is the position when we take profit, and then when we can apply our stop loss. If the price is going up or break out like this is break out. Okay, I change nearest from the running. I put here near by rejection. This is also rejection. Okay, and this is also rejection. And then the last rejection, this is the last rejection. And then if the price going up and then overcross and then break out the level, key level, or break out of resistance, keep our mindset that the price will up more and more strong. If the price break out of many rejection left side or key level, so the power of bullish is very strong. Yeah, don't be opposite. Take position because it's very dangerous. This is the big, this is the big breakout. So it's very big breakout. It means the power of bullish is very strong. We just follow the trend. So when our position, if the price is breakout, we just wait until finish, until close the candlestick breakout, and then we can entry after change the candlestick, after change the candle. Never, not, no more, no need to wait more time. Then it just entry after breakout. This is our position entry buy. Okay, this is our position entry buy. So if we entry the first time to uh, our mindset, please think more about our risk. Please think about our risk, when we should put our risk. This is why, so our risk near from the support or resistance. This is the first time as resistance. This is the first time as resistance because this resistance break out by bullish. This is breakout, so the position of resistance change. The position of resistance become the resistance. This is become support. Remember, if the resistance break out, then that position change to support. So this is support. When we enter there after breakout, so our position to put our stop loss near or the same price with the support. So this is our stop loss. This is our stop loss 1886.74. Okay, this is our stop loss. And then when we put our take profit, and then where? Okay, look at the position of resistance, the next resistance, because the price is very high, and then pull down. So the higher price, this is become resistant. This is become resistant. So this is our put position of the resistance. We can take here stop loss 1895.89. Okay, sorry, this is not stop loss, but this is take profit. Our take profit, not stop loss, but this is our take profit because our entry is buy. This is take profit. This is take profit, and then this is our stop loss. And like this. In the other case also. our step by step like this. Always number one, look at the structure, look at the trend, and then number two, find there the key level support or resistance, and then look at the last candle, find out this find the key level, and then the last find the trigger, find the change color there, and then if the change color, please to confirm the next candle should be the same color with the change color. Just entry after that, just entry after the change color and confirmator coming there, but it still have come the confirmator, just wait and see until breakout or confirmator coming. Okay, I think this is very clear, sir. Maybe you have any problem, you have any question, please ask to me, and then we can discuss more about our case, about our
Okay,
practice. Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The second case you on the screen, the entry of the buy. Hmm,
Yes.
we don't have to if we break the resistance. Hmm, we don't have to wait second confirmation like a second, third candle,
Okay.
because the first one the breakout, the
Okay.
second one is the confirmation
Okay, sir.
when we enter.
Okay. The second case, for example, like this. I have one case like this, because the price going up and then break of the support. This is support. So if the big, if the have power big of break out of the support, we do not to wait more confirmator, or we do not need confirmator. We just entry after breakout, a big breakout, and then the left side they have no key level. The left side they have no key level. Look at this candlestick. If we straight left side, the left side have no key level, so it's very safe. It's very safe, far from key level. The next key level, the next resistance on the top of the wick, on the top of the rejection. This is resistance. So if the price bullish break out of support, sorry, break out of resistance, the first is resistance. This is resistance first. Resistance. First time this is resistance, but after breakout, this resistance become support. This resistance become support. Okay. After breakout the resistance, we just entry buy after change candle. In this case differ from the other case, because the other case, the position of the top, the position of the key level or support or resistance, they are change color, but this is not change color. This is our trigger. Our trigger only breakout. Our trigger only breakout from the support, and then we can entry after breakout. This case also differ from the others, from the other case, like this. If the price going up and then the top of this trend, the price change color. The price change color. It's different case. Look at the left side. Okay, try to straight the horizontal line, and then look at the left side if there any key level, or maybe any rejection. If it's very hard to find which H1, we can change to H4. Now this is also many rejection. They have any rejection, and then change more. The left side many rejection. The left side many rejection. So the top of the price, we can make it as okay. We can make it as the top of the price. Okay, I will change to now. This is this is become the highest price. This is become the key level, and then if the area of the key level change color, okay, change color, and then we have no more reason to entry sell, because this is only first signal. This is only first signal. We need one confirmator. This is the case. The other case is differ from the breakout. If the breakout, and then there are big power to break out the resistance, we just entry until finish closing candle, and it's really break out, and then we can entry after change. Yeah, not need to wait a confirmator. But the other side, this position is different. This position is different. This is going up and then change color. On the top is the change color. It's mean this is the first signal. The seller will coming more. But to make sure that position, we need one confirmator, and then we can entry after the confirmator is coming here. Why we can only put why we can only little bit our profit, we can entry sell here. Okay, we can entry sell here, and then maybe we only have a little bit, have a little profit, one sorry 19.8. It's if this profit is not enough from our target, it's nothing problem. That's mean our loss. Where our loss? Okay, we can put our stop loss here, because this is our level, key level. This is the resistance, 1900.18. This is our stop loss, and then our TP, our take profit here. This is our take profit, 1890, sorry, 1895.89. Okay, this is our take profit. But actually, this price is not touch our take profit. So, of course, this case, our entry is loss. It's nothing problem. It's normally, as a trader, nobody cannot read uh, absolutely 100% true. That is normally. But it's the most important, how to press our loss, how to reduce our loss, and then also uh, we can continue to make more our profit, to getting more our profit. One of the one way to we can do it, of course, we also correct, we also evaluate our position, also reanalyze with the last market, with the last position of the candlestick. That is a good trader. Don't only think about our loss. Don't only think about our analyze. Not all our analyze always true, but sometimes it's also mistake. It's nothing problem, it's normally. But once more, I always remember, and always to remember that the most important thing, how to reduce our loss, how to minimize our loss. It's very very important, and this is the key to be successful uh, to be a trader. Okay, this is our loss, and then if going up and break out, this is break out. This is break out from the resistance, so we can entry after breakout here. We can entry after breakout. If the market breakout with the real breakout, with the big body breakout, so it's very valid. It's very valid, and we can entry there. Maybe our loss will cover by new position, new entry. This is we can entry by. I think like this. Yeah, maybe any problem you can ask more. You can asking more, and then we can discuss later more and more detail. I think uh, my answer like that, sir. Maybe you have any problem more, so we can discuss it. Okay, is there any
No, thank you.
problem? Okay,
No, sir. Thank
understand?
you. Thank you.
Do you understand
Yes, sir.
what we explain? All the step by step to analyze, and then how we can put our entry, and how we can put our stop loss and our TP, our take profit. Understand all of it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you understand, don't forget to try to apply this step by step to apply to your team account, and then make sure that every day you can continue profit consistent. Make sure that every day, if you have any transaction with loss and then profit, loss, profit, total, the total of the all, the total of the our transaction must be profit of the ending. I think if the end of our transaction always profit consistent, so if you change to real account is very strong, is very good, and make a consistent profit for the long time. Thank you, sir, for your chain, and then we can discuss our problem next time, and then we can discuss our material, our lesson for next time. And then don't forget more to always try to apply our lesson to the team account, and then make it better and better. Thank you very much for your attention, and then see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.